Porter, what does a monkey say? What does a sheep say? What does a doggy say? What does a cow say? What does a cow say? My TV's muted, guys. What does a cow say? Would you rather watch your show? Hey, what does a cow say? Porter, what does a cow say? Hey Porter, what does a cow say? Moo. Are you gonna tell me? Porter, what does a cow say? Porter. Are you done? You're not gonna play anymore? Hey, what does a cow say? What does a cow say?
Like I just told y'all this a minute ago.
I'm not telling you again.
I need your help to push. Put your hands out in front of you and
Porter.
push. Now.
Hey, what does a cow say? Moo. What does a monkey say? What does the sheep say? What does the doggy say?
Sounds a lot like a monkey to me.
No, the monkey's ah. What does the cow say? What does the sheep say? What does the monkey say? Is there another one?
What does a
What is
kitty
it?
cat say?
What does a doggy say? What's the doggy say? Woof woof.
What?
Go dance. Go dance. Go on.
I think you missed it.
He did.